Hello everyone. Once again, thank you so much for viewing my video. Our topic for discussion for today is demystified Sigfox. Okay, so again, this will be a series of discussion. We will be at the part 1 of Sigfox. Okay, so for today, the discussion topics is actually by you guys. Someone sent me an email, asked me why Sigfox end device can only transmit 140 messages per day per device. So today, I will take the opportunity to address this question. Okay, so if you also have some suggest topic, okay, please send it to me. Okay, so why Sigfox end device can only transmit 140 messages per day per device? Okay, is it by the limitation of technology? Okay, we know that Sigfox use UMB, ultra narrowband for transmission. Is it because of UMB? Therefore, we have the constraint of only able to transmit 140 messages per day per device. Okay, the answer is no. Okay, it's not because of the limitation of technology. Rather than that, it's because of regulation. Okay, the next two slides, I'm going to show it to you why Sigfox end device have this constraint of only 140 messages per day per device. Okay, so this diagram here shows the EU ISM band. Okay, in fact, EU ISM band is one of the most stringent ISM band in the world. Okay, the x-axis here shows the frequency, the y-axis shows the transmit power, and the duty cycle is also indicated in the diagram. Okay, in EU, basically they welcome you to use the ISM band, okay, but they don't want any one of you to hop into the ISM band, and therefore they have this duty cycle to indicate how much of the time you can actually use the ISM band. So for Sigfox, okay, Sigfox use 868 megahertz in Euro, and basically they have a duty cycle constraint of 1%. Okay, so let's work in detail why the limitation of 140 message. Okay, so 1 hour, we have 60 minutes, and we can also easily work up to be 3,600 seconds. Okay, 1%, can remember this 1% is basically indicated by the EU ISM band regulation. Okay, so 1% of 3,600, okay, is equals to 36 seconds. Okay, which means that we are only allowed to occupy 36 seconds in the whole 1 hour. Okay, so one Sigfox message typically need about 6 seconds to send. So in 1 hour, okay, we can only use 36 seconds in 1 hour, and one message need 6 seconds to send, and we can easily work out that in 1 hour, we can transmit 6 messages. One day, we have 24 hours, so therefore we can use 24 multiplied by 6 to get 144 messages per day. Okay, so Sigfox round down this number to 140 messages. So this is why Sigfox has this constraint of 140 messages. It's not because of the limitation of technology. Rather than that, it's because of the regulation. Okay, so with this, I end my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you so much.